Hello and welcome to the Skype Reiki. We are on day 14 and so Suchika Rao is going to give us more theory now so that people just don't have to get confused about what Reiki is. They can always get in touch with her, and we have demonstrated a few sessions. We gave the people who wanted free sessions. So Suchika, can you give us an more insight into why one needs to have an attunement or the initiation, as we say, from a Reiki master? And why is that much more easier, and now especially in this situation, than getting healed by somebody? Why should you yourself become a healer, and that is getting attuned? Can you just throw light on that?
Yes, attunement, as we say, is the opening or the pass. It's a very sacred process where the spiritual journey of the person who is being attuned is opened. Where
Yeah.
the Reiki flows and is the pores of the person who is being attuned. Like suppose I'm attuning you,
Yes.
you're learning. So then what happens is it is a very opening of the chakras. So it's the spiritual or the gateway of the path for the energy is opened up. So it is lot more than what the energy work you cannot explain actually. But you know what happens is you can feel it once, and what happens is there are barriers with us. So the Reiki master has the ability to do that, because once you are attuned and once the person is attuned, it will be all the pores will be open. He can use it to use it throughout his life. But that is very important. For that
Okay.
also the person who is the Reiki master herself also has to herself or himself also has to prepare, because it's a transfer of opening of energies. So there are certain things we need to follow, because before starting to be able to do that, you should have a certified degree. You should learn
Yes.
all the methods, how to attune. All that is important. So what happens is there are levels, as you understand. There are different levels. So when at the level once the person is a first degree, he learns he's a beginner. He learns to heal himself with his hands. Then at the second level, as you know, the attunement is again required, because they are opening a different set of codes.
Okay.
So
Yes.
first level you open four things. Then second levels you get more powers, because you're going to teach them a distance symbol. So you need to empower them more. Then
Yes.
then the third level, and similarly when you go to the 3 and 3B, there are different ways of the person who's the master will be able to do this. So and it is very important, because otherwise anybody will be able to do
Yes.
Reiki and stuff. So the
Right.
attunement is very important, because what
Yes.
happens is unless you are attuned into that, like you have Guru Shishya thing, this also method, there is a process by which the person is attuned. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So what you're saying is it's a process. One needs to go through that. And once the person becomes attuned, they can use it as and when they like, and how much ever they want to. They can
Yes.
heal people in the first level by touching of the hands, the physical. And the second level is where you can do it distant without being there. Like
Yeah.
right now, the second degree people can send Reiki to any part of the world. And third
Yes.
is when you become the master, and the 3B becomes the master teacher. So
Yes.
thank you, Suchika. And can you just tell us that have you got any courses, or do you help people online where, in this situation, how does one become the first degree healer? Do you have
Uh,
any such courses, or
I,
do you
yeah.
teach online?
Yes, I do. I do have my courses. I
Okay.
have attuned a lot of people online. Yes, and I have had very good results. In the sense,
Okay.
initially I used to only do direct one-to-one, but since the last 1 year, I've had a lot of people whom I've attuned online too. So I
Oh.
would, yes, this is it was something which came to me, and
Hmm.
and I wanted, and as I realized that I thought I would try to do it, because I
Hmm.
said let me think, how can I do it? Basically,
Yes.
the attunement is the point. The rest of it can be learned through books and by face-to-face explaining to anybody. But
Right.
the attunement is very important. So will I be
Mm,
able to do it? And I have done it, and I
mm,
feel that it has worked, and I feel
mm.
very fortunate that I have made myself able to do it. In a
Wow. Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
So I have
So
courses
you
for
have students who are first degree healers. You have students and all over India, you have students coming from different parts of India.
yes, first
Mm.
degree and second degree, but
Okay.
mostly I have done first degree more, but
Mm-hmm.
second degree a few of them, and some people are
Okay.
just waiting for their time to do
Mm.
it, because everybody
Yeah.
has schedules. So
Right.
so then they have said I will do it after some time. So that
Mm.
kind of, and as you know, Reiki cannot be forced. So
Mm.
anybody who's wanting, and I think that whenever you have the intention to do it, it will automatically
Mm.
come.
Yes, absolutely.
That
Yes.
and that works with Reiki receiving also, and it works with becoming a healer also. So
Mm.
becoming a healer is, once you attune yourself, you have
Yes.
all the powers. You don't have to worry that you have the powers to do it for yourself initially.
Mm.
And as you start believing in your own powers, they start
Mm.
you will not imagine how many things you can use. You can use it for protection. You can use it for uh, feeling, if you have aches and pains, then you can use it for calming down some your children if have had, like, if they are very they are having mood swings.
Yes.
You have different ways of
Various
doing it.
ways.
Yeah, various ways, innumerable ways. Then
Wow.
you can it it's just funny, but when we were in Dubai, I was in
Ah,
Dubai. My aunt used to
okay.
we used to have issues with parking. So she used to
Okay.
imagine, we used to do Reiki sign, and we used to
Oh,
say
okay.
that we will get parking, and we used to get the parking. Somebody would move on
Yeah,
directly. So it was
absolutely.
like it,
I agree. I agree totally.
yeah,
I
it's like,
agree totally. And before we start with a small little practice, if you could give us a small demo on one of the positions or a chakra, I would just like to share one example, what happened to me, when I used to drive a two-wheeler and suddenly there will be a problem with my petrol, like it would go in reserve. I have given it Reiki and it would actually stop, and still I would give it Reiki and then it will just, suddenly start and then go forward, and it will keep happening, and suddenly it will even take me for a half a kilometer till I reach the petrol. And I have done it, used it in various ways as well. So there are creative ways of using Reiki. So can you just give us a small demo where some, positioning of some hands so
using
that
it. So
we
I've
close the
really,
session after that. Yeah.
yeah. So what happened is, my bike was there. I've not started it since about 2 weeks. So I
Hmm.
just did a Reiki sign, and I said, please, took it around inside my building only. This is something which I do all the time, and
Hmm.
it's like, thank you very much. So I know that it is important. So once you empower yourself, once you learn the first level Reiki, at least you will be able to do something for
Hmm.
your own people, for yourself. And yes, you
Right.
can remove your negative aura yourself, because
Wow.
you're, yes.
Hmm. So
Ye-
tomorrow I think you can
this,
share with us some one more case or which you have healed, or give us some protection to shield ourselves. So would you like to
I
end
was
this with
wanting
a
to
small
share that
little, yeah, yeah, can you
the
just give
reason
us a
why tomorrow I will be sharing, yes, demo for protection.
yes,
Okay.
1 minute, yeah.
Uh, yeah, demo. I will do the symbol in my
Okay.
mind, and
Ah,
you have to imagine yourself in a egg, because
okay.
yourself covered with in an egg.
Hmm.
in walls around yourself. Just imagine in 2 minutes. Just imagine yourselves around yourselves, your physical aura, your emotional aura, mental aura, your ethereal, your spiritual, divine love, divine mind, and divine all are protected. Gently open your eyes when you're comfortable. Thank you, Reiki.
Thank you, Reiki.
Thank you,
Shiva.
Jha.
Thank you, all the Reiki master
Thank you,
teachers.
Jha.
Thank you, Reiki.
Master.
Thank you so much for this session, Suchika. I think this imagining the egg around you and feeling that safe and as if you are, engulfed into warm healing energies. That was very powerful. If you are also a Reiki healer, you will know, you can actually see those energies. So I want to tell my viewers and I want to tell my listeners that please take cognizance of the fact that we have these beautiful energies of Reiki, which are nothing but universal life force energies. You can, we are going to talk more about the courses, Reiki courses, online courses, which Reiki master teacher, she's providing, Suchika is providing. So take benefit of these courses because you can actually not just feel, but you can imagine those also, those colors. It's not imagination. In fact, I think it's seeing because you can start just like how you feel the warmth, you can see those energies, some colors you can see, and if you're a clairvoyant, if you're more, chakras are open, you can see the violet color a lot. Only thing is you need focus. You need a kind of a different focus.
And you will see, you will also, because of this, I can vouch for this because I have got clarity in my life because of Reiki. Yes, it makes all the difference.
So can you talk about that tomorrow? If you can give us maybe in the coming few days, if you can share 1 or 2 experiences of your clients as well as your own personal example. So that would be really great for our viewers and people who would like to join your online courses and sign up for those certifications. In fact, that will be great. And now is the time, viewers, and really welcome you all. This is, you can go to our Facebook page, it's Sushumna Reiki, and like the page, subscribe, and so look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thank you very much, Suchika.
Thank you, Janvi. Thank you, Janvi. Thank you. Really appreciate this. Thank you.